Life insurance, affordable at that, is possible to find in the United Kingdom, although this may be contingent on many different factors. Contrary to popular belief, most life insurance policies have lower rates than expected. The best and most affordable policies are the ones that are fully underwritten, which is to say, the insurance company asks all sorts of questions about a million things, some seemingly unrelated to your policy application. These include, but are not limited to, questions about your health, way of life, family history, and more. Specific questions may be some of the following. Do you go for medical checkups on a regular basis? Are you a daredevil type of person? Do you participate in high-risk sports? If the answers were yes, no and no, you could probably get a lower rate than the average applicant. If you are considered a prime applicant, the cream of the crop, then you could even get a preferred plus rate, meaning a rate that is even lower than the reduced one. Keep in mind, though, that this rate is hard to get by the average person. Wait. Before you start squealing about discrimination against fat people, realize that being 5.3 feet tall and weighing 220 pounds is not going to make you a saint in anyone's eyes, much less a viable candidate for a reduced rate. You are a high risk for any issuer. Period. People who are more than 30% away from their ideal weight, based on body mass indexes, are not liable to receive preferred rates. Filling in our easy application form will connect you with 100 quotes to choose from. And we will be more than happy to assist. Apply now.
Factors issuers take into consideration. Smoking. What factors will render it impossible for you to get a life insurance affordable cover? There are some deadly sins in the insurer's eyes. The three most important ones are smoking, obesity, and failure to exercise on a regular basis. The world is full of fat people who smoke and can't get off their couches. If you are one of them, you will be offered a policy, of course, but you will get the highest premiums. Do not be like them. Take your life in your hands, get it together, start moving. On average, smokers are more likely to suffer from lung disease and die younger than non-smokers. There are exceptions, of course, but this is the rule. Exercise. Insurance policy providers are more than interested in whether you exercise regularly. Couch potatoes are no one's ideal client, and you cannot expect to get a life insurance affordable cover. You have to provide proof that you exercise, like a copy of a gym membership contract. So forget about lying to them. If you know someone who smokes a lot, drinks a lot, and eats unhealthy food yet has no health problems, they are probably very active physically, and we don't mean just sexually.